So hi, welcome to the next session of cell scripting. Here we'll be looking into exactly the first script that we are going to create is hello world. And yeah, we have already shown you a basic example of cell scripting, but we thought of to start from the hello world as this is a traditional thing that we are following from our childhood. Anyway, so as per the previous discussion in the previous topics, let's move to create the first and the basic bash scripting by using some steps that we are going to follow out there. So let's get onto the terminal on the screen that we have. So uh, at first we need to open our system and navigate to the directory where we need to create the shell script for our work. So to create a small basic shell script, I already told you how to create a simple shell script. You can go through with a either terminal or either from the what you say the GUI faces itself. So you can use touch command to create a script. Let's say touch first.sh. So a script has been created to edit this file using your terminal. Then you can go to the gedit. You can use gedit with which is a editor, graphics based editor, text editor. So let's open up this file. Yeah, it has been opened up. So this is the first thing that we have. We have created a basically the simple and simple file, simple shell script file. So we have opened up. So now we need to code for the hello world. So at first we need to go through the shebang. Then we need to give out the path which is bin best for sure. And then let me show you how this commenting work. So you can type this uh, hash sign for the commenting thing. Like whenever you go through the very long coding, a very long script, then you need to specify uh, the comments like so that someone will be able to understand exactly what you have typed out. So let's type this is my first script, and then let's try to print something. So for that we'll be using echo for sure, and let's say hello world. I'll be using control S for saving the script. So it has been saved up. So the first line again means shebang and specify the bash cells location slash bin bash. Second line represent the comment, sorry, and third line represent the echo command to print out the output. Now let's try to execute this file. Let's close this one. So we'll be going through with dot slash first dot sh, but it will not be executing because we have not given the execution uh, permission to this specific file. So for that we need to type out chmod plus x dot slash first dot sh. Now it has been given the permission of execution. You can say ls minus l. So here you can see execution permission has been given. So now clear the point and let's try to run this script. Here we go. Comment has not been printed and echo we have given echo to print something, so it's on our screen. So finally we have executed the screen and this is the first script. Congratulations, you have written your first shell script. We'll be rocking a lot of things in the upcoming session. So let's see you there.